Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santamaria. Back with another video. This is an unboxing video. As you know, we're building a titanium bike and the parts are coming. Okay, so isa to sa mga grupo ng parts na ikakabit natin sa titanium build natin. Okay, and this package is from Spain. All right, obviously bike in ito. If you're interested, stick around. Let's do this. You must have seen my other videos, no? And the most important of which, as it relates to the bike build, is the frame pickup video. Hanapin nyo lang sa video list ko. Ang title nun is My New Lynskey. Okay. Pwede nyo munang iwan tong video na to kung gusto nyo. Balikan nyo muna yun. Maganda kasi dun tayo magsisimula sa frame pickup. So we're building a Lynskey GR 300 titanium bike. And these are just few of the parts na in order natin. At ito ang kakabit natin. And while we're doing this, may I take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe to the channel, okay? Kung napapanood nyo naman mga videos ko and you think there's entertainment value, if there's educational value, or if you simply just love to watch my vlogs, my ride vlogs, my unboxing videos, my instructionals, please consider subscribing to the channel. It'll help the channel grow. It will mean the world to me. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay? So here we go, nabuksan na natin. So multiple items ito, no? Bunutin na natin itong nasa ibabaw. Here we go. Man, bigla ako na-excite. Excited na ako mula kanina pa, pero ngayon nandito na, mas excited. Mas dumog pa. This is a stem. Okay? This is a Zipp Service Course SL. So super light stem. Wow! Ganda. Ganda. 100 millimeters ito. At yun yung perfect na haba ng stem sa akin eh. Ganda. I'm just gonna show you B-roll para mas close up, para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Ang ganda ng finish. Ang ganda ng pagka-black. And what I love about Zipp these days is their logo. Nagpalit na sila ng logo eh, na mas maganda yung lettering. Yung the font conveys speed and power. Mas imposing yung bagong logo. So black stem. I love it. I love it. Tira mo yung plate sa una, no? Look at that. Oh man, super excited. So just a few details about the stem. This is a stem 6061 aluminum with an adapter, T25 adapter included daw. It must be in here kung may adapter. Wala naman. Saan yung adapter? I don't know, man. No, wala naman siya adapter. Pero yung stem na to pwedeng baliktaran. As with most stems naman, this is a plus and minus 6 degrees. Okay? At ako, dito ako. Pag ganyan ang orientation natin, ayaw naman natin na nakatingala. Okay? So, ayan. Stem. Tabi natin to. Let's do the next item. Ang goal natin, hindi masyadong pahabaan itong video na to. Ano? Here we go. So, okay, dalawa. May nalaglag. There's a bolt right here. This is a bottle cage. Bottle cage, guys. Bonin bike. So Bonin yung brand niya. Okay. It's an Italian brand. At yung bottle cage natin, gusto natin ng metal finish. Aluminum lang siya. Masyadong mahal ang titanium and the aluminum is okay na. Yun na. At pares yung binili ko. Let's take out the other one. Ayan, dalawa. Bonin brand. So, B-roll na lang. Sana nakikita nyo na maayos. Maganda ang quality. Kasi may mga metal finish na bottle cage sa Shopee or Lazada. na sa 300, 400. May mga mas mura pa, no? Pero doon ka sa mga 300, 400 para meron kang some semblance of quality. Pero maski yun, yung mga nasa mas mahal na range, pangit din yung finish eh. So, sa bike-in talaga ako naghanap. And I'm not disappointed naman. Hindi naman kamahalan din to, no? If I'm not mistaken, nasa mga 300, 400 lang yata isa. But the quality is superb. Love it. Bonin bottle cages. Next. Ito na. Ayan, oh. Look at that. So, alam niyo na kung ano yan. These are Crank Brothers Egg Beater pedals. Okay? Remove the label daw. So, alisin natin. Yan. Kita niyo na yung logo ng Crank Brothers. Ano pa ba meron dito? Uy, may washer. This is from the bottle cage. Lagay natin dito para hindi mawala yung washer. Mahirap na. Anyway, sige. Sorry, egg beaters. Basta, hindi mo kailangan tumingin. Kakabit na kagad siya dahil ang usual kasi ng MTB pedals or gravel pedals, baliktaran. Diba? Yung there's this side and the other side, which is the underside. Ito, 4 ang pwede mo pagkapitan. So, isang sampa, click in kagad. Egg beaters. Okay, so I'm obviously building a gravel bike, no? Kasi gravel frame. Pero I want my bike to have a road look and feel. So itong Crank Brothers pedals will somewhat balance it out and bring it back to the gravel slash off-road slash MTB identity. Ayan. So subok lang din ito, no? And I know I'm gonna like it and I'm gonna keep it. Pero kung hindi magustuhan, babalik tayo dun sa regular 3-bolt cleat pedals if this doesn't work, and I'm gonna put this on my other gravel bike. But ang intention ko dito is to put this on the Lynskey. Here you go. Egg beater. Hindi ito review. We're probably gonna do a separate review for these components. No, performance review. First impressions lang ito. This is simply an unboxing video and we're running a little over 7 minutes. Hindi na natin pahabain ang video, okay? Crank Brothers. B-roll. You're gonna get close-up shots of these pedals. Crank Brothers Egg Beater 1 pala ito. Kasi may Egg Beater 3. Hindi ko alam kung meron na mas mataas, pero Egg Beater 1, ito yung base model. That's it. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Ito mga parts natin, ano? Kakabit na natin yan really soon. Pag dumating pa yung mga iba, I can't wait for this build. At abangan ninyo, I'm gonna show you the finished product real soon. That's it. Pag may tanong, lagay nyo lang sa comments. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you guys. God bless you all. Always ride safe. I'll see you next time.